Changing your payout method on MobilePay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Open the MobilePay app. Launch the MobilePay application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once in the app, look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear of 3 dots. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Payout Methods. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use S-Work to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your new payout method. You will see a list of available payout methods. Select the one you wish to change to, or add a new method if necessary. Follow the prompts to enter any required information. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new payout method, review your changes and confirm them. You may receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on MobilePay. Make sure to check your settings periodically to ensure everything is up to date.